Buongiorno, buongiorno signore e signore, giovanotte e giovinotte, come yam. Eccoci qua. Oggi mo voglio fare quattro rasate. A già scelta no scioglilingua, una poesia contemporanea, neodialettale di Mariano Baino. Siamo nel Novecento 2000, ok? Letteratura napoletana Novecento 2000. E oggi mi voglio divertire un po'. Diciamo che l'ho letta un paio di volte. Non è facile, cercherò. I will try my best to read slowly, okay, so that you may better, even if reading this kind of verses too slowly doesn't really bring you the sense, but I have to read slower so that you may better get the diction. Okay, I will try. Or maybe I can read twice. Okay, it's quite funny, by the way, and it's mixed with some French as well. It's really, really amazing. Listening Neapolitan 11 900 2000 20th century 21 first century 900-2000, la poesia neodialettale di Mariano Baino. Ancora s'averano valore e aggraziatezza, com e che maniera non fa niente. Una partita pallone fra guaglione, specie chillo, uvi, ca io callala, vola un coppo corpo tisica, la piazza. Torna, ma l'ombra curiosa, grattacielo, colonna e nudì solitaria. Nudì che protegge il rendite e guadagna, che la metropole e folla fanno teatro alla perfezione. No, nu corpo, ma o corpo de corpo, che struseiano annanzi a rete e dinte fuori e in coppe sotto, o pesce porta lettera, struscia o pesce vigile urbano, eccetera, eccetera. Rind a stu viene manguolla, s'arraposa nu fatto eterno, perfetto. Na serpe sa magna stessessa, sa mozza ca ancora nzevata ra mazzamma umana, senza cambiamenti e perciò senza storia. Na lina, na spirale ca si torce a mesa a nu fravaca gigantizzata e a formichizzazione della persona, Gulliver, a bocca come cauce, oimè, che croce, e a lingua come vacca lattarola. A Coca-Cola, rindo cannarone, chiude un bottiglione, vorrei sentirmi scorrere a credoce. Col latte di una zizza mammarola. A Coca-Cola rindo cannarone e chiude un bottiglione, vorrei sentirmi scorrere a credoce. Ruzzucco tuia mi faccia portavoce, assai più fresca la fase Nicola. A Coca-Cola rindo cannarone e chiude un bottiglione, vorrei sentirmi scorrere a credoce. Ganna indonasa, tu sì che la cosa quasi come un caffè miracoloso. E si gassoso, rindo bicchierotto. Ca vina, ca chinotta, si pa cannuccia sai a misteriosa. Le roi nous fit proposer de venir voir, et un des balcons de son palais, l'une felle plus singulière de son royaume. Il s'agissait d'un cognac. Amazing, amazing. I love this. This is, let's say, is definitely a Neapolitan much more contemporary, and that we may better relay us Neapolitan born and living in nowadays time, Ancora s'avere una valore a graziatezza. Still we can see values, human values, and grace and graceful things, movement. How and in what manner, in which way, doesn't matter, non fa niente. Come e che maniera, come, how e che maniera, and in which way, non fa niente, doesn't matter, is not important. Una partita pallone fra guaglione, a football match, of teenagers, especially though that player, that boy, you can see him, Caio Callala, who plays on the side. He vola, gop o corpo tisic ra piazza. He flies on the corpo tisico, on the steady body of the plaza. Torna mal'ombra curiosa. All around there are suspicious shadows, Grattacielo, skyscrapers, column, e un'uddia solitaria, and a lonely God. N'uddia protegge e rendita. It's a God who is protecting your incomes, your money, your loans. Ca metropoli e folla, che la città, the metropolis, the metropoli, e folla and crowd fan o teatro alla perfezione. They bring the show, theatrical show of a perfection. They put on scene, la città, the city of Naples, and the crowd. They bring the perfection, the theater of a scene of perfection. No, this is interrogative, guys. A perfezione of perfection? No, corp, no, a body. It's not a body, a simple body, ma o corpore corp, but is the body of the bodies. Castrusean annanzi a rete che Castrusena, che si muovono, ok, che si muovono that they move frantically, go and back and forth, and dint a for, and inside and outside, and goppe sut, and up and down. It's difficult, I mean to say, you cannot really understand in English this, because this is really are some picturesque, beautiful sayings, way of saying in Neapolitan to emphasize. It's like to say, um, to emphasize in the different way. Let's say in true, these people, they are moving in all directions. Okay, annans eareta, rind e fora, en gop en sot. Okay, that is so funny. O pesce porta lettera, struscia, the postman fish. That is really cute. He depicting some characters typical of the of the everyday life in a town. No, we are talking of the postman and or traffic or the traffic director, no, the traffic agent. O pisce porta lettera, struscia, the postman meet the traffic, how to say in English, the traffic director, I forgot exactly, etc., etc. The etc., guys, is one of those words universal. It's used in all over in most of the languages, etc., etc. Dintas tu viene mangol, amazing. Literally translated, okay, jammed in this crowd, okay. Viene mangol, vienimi addosso is a combined word of vienimi, you are investing me, okay, you are coming to me, and you are crashing on me, okay, and so viene mangol. Gol è addosso in italiano, means to say on my body, okay? You are crashing on my body, okay? You are coming to me, you are hitting me, okay? S'arreposano fatta eterna, and in this crazy, frantic crowd, okay, there is an eternal fact that is resting. Okay, I mean to say that is apart from this crowd. There is a perfetto. Una serpe se magna se stessa. Al di là, on the outside of this crowd, huge crowd, frantic crowd moving in all directions, there are something happening, okay, like, for example, una serpe, a snake, serpente, se magna stessa. You know when the snakes is eating himself, itself by the tail. Okay, se mozzica to bite, biting, ancora la coda, the tail. That is amazing. This is a kind of a representation, ironical representation of a hell snake, because the very often the snake represent the ill, all the bad of the humans, So ancora nzevata is impregnated, okay, dirty. Ramazzama umana, ra di apostrophe a, della, okay, of the mazzamma umana. Mazzamma is is quite recent. Really, you can understand that this is more on the contemporary Neapolitan. Mazzama umana, ma mazzama is a bunch bad humans, people. Okay, a mazzama umana. Let's say in English, in English we say, how to say the mamma mia, it's easy. I'm lapsus in the slang. I mean, in the street language. Okay, it's the amazzama umana, the human stink. Also we say, we may describe. Senza cambiamenti e perciò senza storia, without any change, and so therefore without story. Un alieno maybe is an alien, una spirale che si torce in mezzo a un fravaca gigantizzato. Incredible. That is not easy to interpret, to shadow, to understand, because really, allora, spirale is a spiral, okay, una spirale is still identifying like hell, like a spiral of beasts, of shit, of case torch that he twirl, okay, case torce that is moving, okay, is moving in mezzo a un fravaga gigantizzato. Now I try to interpret this one. I think fravaca is fravaca is the cement. Okay, I think is talking of a cement, the cement, the buildings, of this town. Gigantizzato is gigantic. Okay. So I think that is referring to the whole city, I mean, all those bad that can bring a metropoli, a big town, okay. That's why I think Fravica is talking of all this building, gigant, cemented town, metropoli, okay. E a formichizzazione la persona. Yeah, this maybe he also can help me to better understand, because a formichizzazione is a term, invented term. Formichizzazione, formica, da formica is the ants, okay, the small. When we are watching now at all of this immense jam crowd, the people watched from the top. They appear like small ants, okay. And so la formichizzazione, a formichizzazione della persona. Cioè, in true, maybe he want to figure out, to let us to see all those million persons, 1,000 persons, like that seen like ants, they lose the human side, I mean to say, Gulliver, and here is easy, because Gulliver is the character, that everybody of us we know. Gulliver is the travels of Gulliver, no? Hmm? That he found himself in a world of a Lilliputian beings, no? And this is the same, no? It's the same comparison. A bocca come a caucia, oimè che croce. The mouth, a bocca come a caucia, la calce. Calce is the okay. I don't remember. Anyway, it is the white that we mix the mix that we use for the to cover the walls. E alenga come vacca lattarola, and the tongue like the cows. Lattarola, the cows, the milking cows, ok? A Coca-Cola, rindo cannarone, o cannarone is the trachea, ok? Più in un bottiglione, even more than a big bottle, ok? Vorrei sentirmi scorrere agredolce. I would like to feel pouring down to my throat and soury, a soury like a Coca-Cola, no? Nel senso di cetrul e poi di noce, a taste of cetriolo, and nuts. Nothing. Tonight my mind is totally absent. Cetriolo and of nuts. We together mix blended with the milk of a cow mammella teeth. A Coca-Cola rintoca, then refrain, ok, chiuno bottiglione, vorrei sentire scorrere, du zucco tuoia, I am ambassador, I am ambassador about your juice. Zucco is juice, tuie, your. Me faccio, I put myself in the position of a portavoce, ambassador. Assai più fresco, even more, much more fresh, assai, much, più, molto, più, assai e molto, fresco, fresh, ravase Nicola, del basilico, the basilicus. The Coca-Cola, again, he repeat the refrain, vorrei sentire per scorrere, Ganna e indonasa, in my throat and in my nose, you appear, you are like that thing, quella cosa, that thing, similar to such as the coffee, come o caffè, like the coffee, miraculous. E sì gassosa, e you are fizzy, gaseous, fizzy. Rindo bicchierotto, inside the glass. Bicchierotto is used also in slang Italian dialect, also not only in Neapolitan, also in some other dialect. Bicchierotto di vino, let's say a medium-sized glass of wine. Okay, bicchierotto is a diminutive of bicchiere, glass. Kavina, kakinot, with wine, with chinotto. Sì, pacannuccia saglie a misteriosa. Kavin, coconut, with the straw is I'm drinking the misteriosa. Sale, lift up the misteriosa. Let's say the liquid, no, this mysterious liquid. And then there is French. Le roi nous fit proposer de venir voir. Allora, the king proposed us to come to see, de venir voir, un des balcons de son palace. Ad ammirare allora, il re ci ha invitati the king proposed us to enjoy the view from the balconies of his palace. L'une des fêtes, una delle feste, one of the celebration, le più singolari de son royaume, le più singolari, le più famose del suo reame, del suo regno. Il s'agissait di un cognac, ha assaggiato un cognac. All right, guys. I read again in Neapolitan, okay? Try to get more familiar with the diction and the cadenza. Try to dub me, okay? To read together me. Now I read again, but with a bit speeding up a little bit, okay, to read more with sense, with the original sense. Ancora severe ne valore e aggraziatezza, comma e che maniera non fa niente. Una partita pallone fra guaglione, specie kill, ovì, caio callà, la polangoppo corpo tisica la piazza. Torna, ma l'ombra curiosa, grattacielo, colonna e nudì solitaria. Nudì che protegge e rendita e guadagna. Che la metropoli e folla fanno teatro alla perfezione. No, no corpo, ma o corpo e corpo. Castruseana annanzi a rete e dinte e fuori e in coppa e sotto. O pesce porta lettera, struscio, o pesce vigile urbano, eccetera, eccetera. Rinda stu viene manguolla, s'arriposano fatto eterno, perfetto? La serpe se magna se stessa, se muozza che ancora non si vada la mazzamma umana, senza cambiamenti e perciò senza storia. Nalino, una spirale che si torce a mezzo ad un fravago gigantizzato e la formicizzazione della persona. Gulliver? A bocca come a caucia, oimè che croce, e a lingua come a vacca lattarola. A Coca-Cola rindò cannarone, chiude bottiglione, vorrei sentirmi scorrere a croce. Nu senza recetrulla e po' de noce, con latte de una zizza mammarola. A Coca-Cola rindò cannarone e chiude un bottiglione, vorrei sentirmi scorrere a croce. Lo zucco tuo mi faccio portavoce, assai più fresca la Vase Nicola. La Coca-Cola rindò cannarone e chiude un bottiglione, vorrei sentirmi scorrere a croce. Gan e d'indonasa, tu sì che la cosa quasi come un caffè miracoloso e si gassosa, frizzante, rinde un bicchierotto, ca vino, ca chinotta, si pacannuccia saglia misteriosa. Le roi nous fit proposer de venir voir un des balcons de son palais, l'une de fait les plus singulières de son royaume. Il s'agissait d'un cognac. All right, guys. I hope that we had some fun and with this tongue twister, so that we may. It's an exercise. It's a diction exercise. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Sciovrim, statevi buona e tante salute a sti signore e sti signore bella. Alla prossima. Arrivederci.